The first rotameter including turning float was invented by Carl Kuipers in the year 1908. After that, this invention was improved through new float shapes and the glass tube. Carl Kuipers designed the special model within the glass tube to recognize a symmetrical flow scale. The rotameter is also known as the variable area flow meter. So today in this video, we are going to learn some basic information about rotameter and it how to works. What is rotameter? A rotameter is a commonly used type of industrial flow meter that is used to measure the volumetric flow rate of a liquid or a gas. It consists of a tapered tube with a float inside. Rotameter works in a simplistic way. Fluid raises the float when it passes through the tapered tube. When there is no flow, the float stays in resting condition at the bottom. Rotameters are widely used because they are easy to install and maintain, and they have a fairly wide measurement range, a low pressure drop and linear scales. Sometimes rotameters are also called gravity flow meters, mechanical flow meters or variable area flow meters. In gravity flow meters, the term gravity means the rotameter must be installed vertically. Rotameters cannot measure horizontal or inclined flow rate. It measures vertical flow rate. So the measurement property of the rotameter needs to be vertical. Construction of a rotameter. The rotameter construction can be done by using different components like transparent glass tube, scale, float and transmitter. The shape of the transparent glass tube is conical, which includes a scale and float within it. A float is a small device within the tube of a rotameter with precise dimension. The float is used to indicate the rate of flow of liquid within the tube, which can be designed with plastic, glass or metal. Transmitters are very helpful in reading the flow measurements precisely as compared to we observe on the scale directly. Advantage and disadvantage. It can handle any corrosive fluid. It's suitable for measurement of gases as well as liquid. Pressure loss is nearly constant and small. Condition of flow is easily visible. It must be installed in vertical position only. It is not good to use in pulsating flow cases. Limited to small pipe size and capacities. Less accuracy than venturi meter and orifice meter. It becomes expensive in case of high pressure and high temperature applications. Working principle of rotameter. When the fluid enters through the inlet of the rotameter and due to the pressure of the fluid, the metering float will be slightly upward. That means when the velocity will increase, the float will also rise upward. And this float has its own particular gravitational force. So the float is always try to come down for gravity. When the float coming down and fluid of flow entering from inlet goes upward and exit through the outlet, so when the pressure of the fluid and the gravitational force of the float are combined, a point will be such that the float will come to the equilibrium position. And when it's come to equilibrium position, we will take the reading and note it down the ultimate velocity of the flow or the flow rate. Hope you understand all the functions and how it works. If you get anything to learn new, then subscribe my channel and tap the bell icon. Further, if you have any questions or feedback about this video, then you can comment in comment section below. I will reply everyone. Thank you.